It is 7:45. The last forecast I saw said it was supposed to start raining around 8. I'm really hoping it's a light rain and not a hard rain because I want to do the 11 miles. Because then after that there's 6 or 7 miles into Great Barrington. Hoping it stays a light sprinkle. Look how red these ones are. Also, it is raining, but it's just a drizzle for now. High enough to get the forecast now. It says it's going to rain for another hour or so, but it already kind of feels like it's stopping. And then it'll start raining around 3 again. So hopefully I could be near or at the shelter by then. Looks like the beavers have been here too. Surprised I haven't seen or heard any yet. Beavers have been busy up here too. I guess the rain was too much for their dam. Glad I don't have to walk through this, hopefully. This is one of the South Wilcox shelters. There's another newer one somewhere. Still raining. The forecast keeps saying it's gonna stop in an hour and it hasn't yet. And my pants are soaked. I was like, I don't need to put my rain pants on. I can just roll my pant legs up, and then that didn't work. The Tom Leonard shelter is about 5.5 miles away from here. It appears to have stopped raining. And the forecast says it'll start again around 5. Hopefully, I think it's like 12:15ish now, so hopefully I can get there before then. Also, it looks like it's gonna get close to freezing tonight, so that's great. I think it's done raining, but it's still dripping and it's still kind of cloudy. It is 1:30. Tom Leonard is 4.1. Should get there with plenty of time. Very pretty lake or pond. Free to go out on these rocks so I don't want to fall. Caution, vehicles have not been made aware of hikers crossing the road just ahead. Well, why don't you put a sign up then? Tom Leonard, 3.2. Is wood just slippery in general when wet, or is there like a specific kind of wood? Because I need to cut some slashes into this. I am now only 23.3 miles from Connecticut. Hoping to go into town tomorrow. I cannot believe that I have almost walked the entire state of Massachusetts in 6 days. That is wild. It'll probably take me, I don't know, maybe another 3 days because I'm gonna go into town tomorrow, and then I don't know how many miles after that it'll be. This is the birthplace of W.E.B. Du Bois. Nice. According to this sign, we're in Tornado Alley. I believe it. This area I'm in now is the Ice Gulch, which apparently can still have ice in it during summer. No ice currently. It's a cool area. I like the fog and the random trees growing in here. I'm almost at the shelter, probably another 0.1. Apparently I was closer than I thought. We are almost there. This tent platform has a really nice view, but I cannot put here. Well, it seems like hammocks here. No trees over here. Should have showed you the map when we first came in. So this is what I went around and looked at. One kind of had a nice spot, but not really. That's tent site 1. 2 is the one that has a semi-decent option. Shockingly, it's raining again. It's kind of getting my underside wet. The tarp is already doing the thing that I don't want it to do, which is to stretch out and get me wet. Hopefully I hung it high enough this time that I will not wake up to this touching me.